In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Asana and Slack. By the end, you'll have your task management and team conversations working together so updates, assignments, and progress are easy to follow without switching tabs all day. This is a quick setup that brings Asana tasks into Slack so you can stay on top of work where your team already communicates. Start by opening Asana and heading to your home view. Make sure you're signed into the right workspace or organization, especially if you're a member of multiple teams. If your company manages apps centrally, you may need the right permissions to connect tools. Having the correct workspace selected now will ensure you connect Slack to the place where your projects actually live. At the top of Asana, click your profile icon to open the personal menu. From there, choose Settings. This takes you to the area where you control your preferences and connected apps. It's the safest way to manage integrations because the connection will be tied to your account rather than a specific project, making it available across your Asana work. Inside Settings, go to the Apps tab. You'll see a catalog of integrations that Asana supports. Scroll through the list until you find Slack. If you don't see it right away, keep scrolling. Apps are often grouped, and Slack usually appears among popular options. You're looking for the Slack tile with a brief description and a button to initiate the connection. Click Connect on the Slack tile. Asana will open a secure authorization window to link your Asana account with Slack. Review the details so you understand what's being shared. If you use more than one Slack workspace, confirm the correct one is selected for your team. When you're ready, click Allow to approve the permissions. This step finalizes the handshake between the two platforms so they can communicate reliably and securely. After authorizing, you'll be redirected back to Asana, and you should see that Slack is now connected. That's it. The integration is live. From here, notifications and task context can flow into Slack, helping your team react faster and keep work moving. If anything didn't connect, double check that you were in the intended Asana workspace and had permission to add apps. You can always return to the Apps tab in Settings to confirm the connection status or disconnect if needed. With Asana and Slack integrated, you've reduced context switching and set your team up for clearer, faster collaboration.